Xiao Chen has a box that contains 4 green cards, 7 yellow cards, and 6 red cards. She randomly draws 1 card at a time from the box and does not return the cards to the box after they have been drawn. The first card she draws is yellow. The second card she draws is green. What is the probability that the third card she draws will also be green? Probability questions on this test are really just about ratios. So we want to know, out of the total number of cards in the box, how many of them are green? So I'll specify down here, this is at the time of the third draw from the box. So the total number is going to be the 4 green, 7 yellow, and 6 red that we started with, minus the 2 that she's already drawn, because she's not returning the cards to the box. So the total at the time of the third draw would be 17 minus 2, and that's 15. How many of them are green? Well, she started out with 4 green cards, but on the second draw, she took a green card out of the box. So there are 3 green cards remaining. The probability then would be 3, the number of green cards, out of 15, the total number of cards, and that is 1/5. That is the answer.